Hello everyone, Asawang Filipina, and then to this video we're gonna unbox this one. So I opened already one box because at first my camera is shut down, so I have to unbox it again for you guys. And let's try this on after unboxing. So this one first is from Lazada, and this is only for $7. $7 this one. Orange, and we're gonna try this. I'll show you how I try this. So this one is orange. So next, I have to come closer a bit. So next is this one. So I have this one pair, two pair. It's gold. And this one is just $10 from Shein. And also we're gonna try these flats. It's really warm today. So the fitting was good. Just very comfy. And then last, it's also it's rubber. Oh, nice. It's design. So cute. It's also $10. So okay, I'm gonna try this on. Oh my god, so it looks good. So I better sit here. It's more better than here. So this is all we have for today, and I hope you enjoy our unboxing video. So I'm gonna show you again one more time. This is the flats. I don't really know the name knows of some shoes that I just call it shoes flats because it's flat. So this one, and then this. It's very affordable. And also this one. So we have 3 pairs for today. So that's all for now, guys, and again, see you next video. Bye everyone. Hi, if you want to join to be part of my members in the Patreon, you can join the Patreon. The link is in the channel description, and then you can choose what tiers do you want to join. Tiers. Cheers, tiers. What tiers do you want to join? You can have the pumping driving video, barefoot driving, and also dangling videos there, crushing video. Then it's just for see the amount there, and see you in the Patreon also. Bye everyone.